In this video, we are going to talk about updates the 8 most profitable ways to make money on YouTube. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future. If you've been looking for ways to generate money online, you should start by creating a YouTube channel. According to YouTube, the network has over 2 billion monthly active users who watch 1 billion hours of video every day. Did you know that the world's highest paid YouTubers are expected to make $211 million in 2020, according to Forbes? If you want to make money as a YouTuber, the first thing you need to do is learn how to create a YouTube channel. Then, in addition to a strong social media strategy, you can take advantage of the finest methods to monetize your content on the video platform. 1. As a YouTube partner, you may earn ad revenue. Ad income is most likely the first monetization approach you'll profit from as a YouTuber. Join the YouTube Partner Program to have access to a variety of monetization options on the site, including Google AdSense. Keep in mind that to make money from adverts, you must be at least 18 years old. You should also generate material that is appealing to advertisers. How to generate money using Google AdSense on YouTube? Create a YouTube channel first. Over the previous 12 months, increase your YouTube channel's subscriber count to at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours. To activate monetization, sign in to your YouTube account. You must agree to the rules of the YouTube Partner Program. To get cash, create a Google AdSense account. You may link your YouTube channel to an existing account. Make a decision on how you want to make money. Check your YouTube analytics to discover how much money you're making on a monthly basis. 2. Establish yourself as a brand influencer. One of the easiest methods to generate money on YouTube is to promote sponsored content on your channel. The nicest thing about becoming a YouTube influencer is that you keep all of the money. Google doesn't get a piece. How to generate money as a brand influencer on YouTube? Make a list of companies you'd want to pitch and get in touch with them. On influencer marketing networks like Upfluence, Clear, Channel Pages, and Grapevine Village, you may connect with businesses for sponsorships. Negotiate a decent rate based on the size, engagement, specialty, content quality, and project scope of your audience. YouTube videos are one of the most costly kinds of sponsored content, so make sure you price your service appropriately. Post your sponsored material and be sure to use YouTube's sponsored content disclosure option. This tool ensures openness and compliance with Google's ad regulations. 3. Sell merchandise, physical or digital products to generate extra money. You may offer your own things on YouTube, such as e-courses, t-shirts, backpacks, or hats. Another great strategy to earn money on YouTube is to build a dedicated following that feels connected to you and sell your items to them. Selling products on YouTube is a great way to generate money. Create a product that embodies your brand and resonates with your target market. You may ask your audience what they want to purchase if you don't have an idea beforehand. Create a website or an online store where your customers may purchase your goods. You may connect straight to your website or any other YouTube-approved goods website from your videos. You may activate the shelf option for your products as a YouTube partner. Wearing or utilizing your physical and digital items in your video content is a great way to promote them. User-generated material, or content created by individuals who enjoy your goods, may be included. Create a solid social media plan to promote your products outside of YouTube. To increase sales, direct visitors to your channel. Encourage your audience to buy something. Add calls to action, CTAs, with a link to your shop or product page to your YouTube video descriptions. 4. Crowdfund your projects. Crowdfunding is one of the finest methods to generate money on YouTube if you need financial help for your project. All you have to do is ask your audience for money. How to generate money by crowdsourcing your ideas on YouTube? Determine the cause you wish to support and establish a reasonable contribution goal. Set up your crowdfunding account using one of the YouTube-approved platforms. In your video material, promote your project. Explain what you intend to accomplish with these videos. Create a social media plan to promote your crowdfunding campaign on your social media accounts. To persuade your readers to give, including appealing incentives and CTAs. Include a link to your crowdfunding account in the description of your YouTube videos. 5. Encourage the use of fan funding if you need help from your followers. Another of the finest methods to generate money on YouTube is via fan fundraising. How to make money on YouTube through fan funding. Start live broadcasts and turn on Super Chat to get money from fans. Other popular fan financing platforms, such as Patreon and Tipeee, may also be used. Encourage others to join the channel. Members-only material and advantages, such as badges, unique emoji, and live conversations with you, will be available to your audience. Encourage your viewers to upgrade to YouTube Premium. You'll be compensated each time people view your channel this way. 6. Distribute your viral, high-quality videos to other platforms. If you make a popular YouTube video, TV news stations, other online platforms, and producers may offer you money in exchange for the rights to utilize your video. You may still license a video for money if it's worthwhile, high quality, or noteworthy, even if it's not a viral video. How to monetize your YouTube videos by licensing them to other media. Make it as simple as possible for individuals to contact you with business queries. In the About section of your YouTube channel, as well as in your video descriptions, update your contact information. For speedier purchasing and legal usage, register with a video content marketplace like Jukin Media. 7. Create a sales funnel for your business. Optimizing your YouTube channel as a sales funnel component in your content marketing and social media strategy may help you generate money. Create a sales funnel and a social media plan to generate money on YouTube. Create a successful niche website and learn how to create a YouTube channel. Create high-quality content for your channel and expand your niche's following. Fill out an application for the YouTube Partner Program. In your films, promote your business, course, membership packages, one-on-one programs, or email list. 8. Begin an affiliate marketing campaign. Aside from ad revenue, affiliate marketing is the second greatest method to earn money on YouTube as a passive income. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate money on YouTube. Learn how to create a YouTube channel by finding a suitable topic. Choose affiliate partnership programs carefully. Start with the simplest, such as the Amazon Associates or ShareASale affiliate programs. Make product review films and tell your audience which things are the best. In the video description, provide your affiliate links to lead people to where they may purchase the things you evaluated. Each time someone buys anything via your links, you'll be paid. YouTube monetization. Frequently asked questions. Here are the answers to some of the questions you may have now that you know the best methods to generate money on YouTube. How many YouTube subscribers do you need to make money? To join the YouTube Partner Program and explore income alternatives, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. How many YouTube views does it take to make money? Although a YouTuber must have 4,000 watch hours to become a YouTube partner, the amount of views does not always equate money. When a user clicks or views an ad, YouTube charges the marketer. As a result, if a video has thousands of views but no one clicks on the ad, your ad income is nothing. If your followers upgrade to YouTube Premium, you'll receive money from their video views. How much do you earn from YouTube? The amount of money YouTubers earn is determined by the number of views their videos get. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.